Hello, this is the very unprofessional train spotter today at Tamworth on the West Coast main line, where you will see services by Avanti West Coast down there, cross country up here on the cross country route, London Northwestern Railway down there, and freight hopefully on both levels throughout. And you never know, we might get a bit of a surprise. I haven't looked up in real-time trains yet, so I don't know if we will get a surprise. 352.40 and 251 brought me in from Lichfield, Trent Valley. 391.18 came through us as get myself set up. And that's about it. Yeah. Again, I've been to Tamworth plenty of times before. Without doing films. Just basically getting feel for the station, doing numbers and all that before I even heard of filming trains, for Christ's sake. Probably before I even heard of YouTube. So yeah, I've been coming to Tamworth a lot of times. You know, it's a good station, not just for like passenger trains. You know, you get a lot of trains here, but also for freight trains. Like down there, obviously you're going to get a load of freight, but up here should be plenty of freight, as Kingsbury is not too far away, and Kingsbury is sort of a popular destination, I suppose, for the freight trains up on the cross-country route, which is up here. So yeah, anyway, let's see what we're going to see today. You know, stopping and passing by. Right, he's just caught me off guard. I believe it was 391.25. Caught me completely off guard. I was going to get my phone out to look at real-time trains. Then I heard him coming. Obviously, I did have plenty of time to get myself set up to film it. But obviously, the damn phone didn't want to get back in the pocket, did it? Because, like, it's just got, like, one of those mindsets. It's literally a big piece of crap. But, yeah, I think... Not too sure. It was 391.25. Whilst I've got you here, I will just look up on real-time trains, so then nothing else can catch me off guard. Ha ha ha, I have the last laugh. And the first laugh, because no one else was laughing. Right, turn on the data like so. Yeah, no internet connection, that's why I turned on the data. Yeah, just so you know. Right? Haha. Transport with a brain. No internet connection. Yeah, I've turned on my data. Yeah, back online. That's what I thought. Right, where was I? 11:26 now. That train was London to Glasgow. That was. Oh, it looks like quite a few delays as well. Timetables all over the place. So it seems. Sorry about the shaky camera work as well, but it's kind of cold. I am wearing gloves, but yeah, Looks like I've got a bit of freight lined up. Oh, speaking of freight, there we go. 66128 for DB Cargo UK. It's Acton TC to Burton OT, West Yard, Maurice H. No, it's not. No, it's not. Don't be stupid. Yes, he is. No, he's not. I didn't even see half the things he was carrying, so I don't actually know. I wouldn't even have a clue where he's going. I haven't seen half the things he was... Trafford Park Euro Terminal to Soton West Docks, berth 109. There you go. There you go. I believe there's a Pendolino approaching now from London to Manchester. Here we go. You can hear it. And you can see it with a face mask. I don't even attempt to get the numbers on them anymore because it's impossible with the face mask on. Like I say, just make the face mask green or black or any other colour that's dark, and then put the writing in white. like a normal human being would do if they had a brain. Right, I am currently expecting something to come round the corner, up there. From this time, it is going to be the Acton TC to Burton, whatever you want to call it, Sidings, Murray's, G, whatever the hell you want to call it. I have no idea what company it is. I have no idea what train it's going to be. I have no idea in general what's... Well, it's definitely coming through up here, as it says up there, stuff about standing back from the platform edge because there's something coming. It's a DB Cargo UK Class 66. $66,077. Jesus Christ. There we go, a load of wind with him as well. I'm gonna end up, you see that fence up there. If there's any more of that train coming through, I am up there, probably sitting on that fence waiting to be blown all the way to Burton.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 3.
Yeah, a bit late, love, because if I recall correctly, I'm pretty sure he's just gone past. In all honesty, up there, 5 minutes before you've just made that announcement, that destination board said, stand back from the platform edge, there's a train approaching. That train's just gone past. Yeah? So the train has just gone past, basically. I don't know if you want to stand back because there's a Voyager coming or something like that. Okay? You want to train. Whoever's controlling you will want to look at his phone a few more times, or his watch, or whatever he uses to check the time. Oh well. Pendolino, a ghost. This should be easy enough for the numbers. City of Lichfield, 390,011. Or was it 111? I can't remember. There was 2 1s at the end of it. I don't know whether or not it was a 0 or 1 at the start. But it was City of Lichfield. Whatever it is, it's a Pendolino that's turned up from the north of England to the south of England. Probably to London, I'm guessing. So I take out the trusty phone. I put the code in. I'll wait about 5 minutes for it to let me into the damn thing because it's slow. Turn on the data because for some reason it's not on. And see that that was from Manchester to London. Yeah, okay. That is very good. I'm proud of myself. Pause. Also, I forgot to do this in the intro. I mean, it doesn't matter in the slightest, but I forgot to mention my aims for today. Right, basically the aims of what I want to see. I want to see a cross-country HST. Yeah, I want to see more freight. Yes. And there is a load path as well. I want to see the Pride train, Avanti West Coast. I would have seen the full livery for Avanti West Coast, but when I missed it, didn't I? Speaking of Avanti West Coast, again, I got a glimpse of the number, but like, I seen a 5 on the end of it and a 1 at the start, so I don't know. I'm terrible at getting numbers. Yeah. I've already seen the half livery a lot of times, so I'm not bothered about that anymore. Go away for that. Not the biggest thing in the world coming up next. Another thing I want to see today, which I have literally never seen when train spotting. I've seen it plenty of times myself when not trying to do train spotting, when just trying to get a damn train to go home. But I want to see the British Transport Police Livery 350. freight train come in from Wolverton Centre sidings to Rugby UDT signal. It's a 66. Jesus, I am such a moron. I just want to explain how much of a moron I am. I mean, literally, yeah, a bit late.
The next train at platform 3 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs, and your belongings. Stand behind the...
I am a stupid idiot. Yeah? There's no way about it. I'm an idiot, okay? Yeah? The clue is in the name. You're not going to get professional train spotting or video in general. Because I do stuff like that. Look on real-time trains. Always think that the freight train's going to be down here. Although I said in the intro that all the freight trains will be up here as well. Obviously, I went blind for a... Well, I didn't exactly go blind. Real-time trains just didn't list the platform. But what it did say, the freight train I was expecting now. Whilst I'm waiting here, I might as well tell you the destination of that Pendolino as well. Right. The Pendolino is London to Manchester. That was... I have absolutely no idea. I have absolutely no idea where that was going. Although I was looking at real-time trains for about now. Yeah, it helps them turn on me data, doesn't it? Yeah. Try again. Yeah, that's what I thought. Right, so then. Where's that 66 even going? It was a Freightliner 66. Obviously I didn't get the number because I'm a gone bean. It is not Wolverton Centre sidings to Rugby, is it? Is that even running? No. Yeah, that's not even running. So, that freight train, I have absolutely no idea. Just look at... Keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking. It was an early pass from Ipswich SS to East Midlands Gateway. So that's probably why I thought it was going to be that Wolverton Centre sidings. Plus the fact that I have a brain made out of cottage cheese. Which is... yeah. You can't complain to me for this, really. You expect it with the name of the goddamn channel. Okay, our next train's around the bend, this time going that way from this direction. It is going to be a cross-country of some description from Edinburgh to Plymouth. It's either a Voyager, well, two Voyagers, or a HST. Please be a HST. I don't mind Voyagers, but HSTs... how you say, way better. Please, HST. I will do just that. HST, please. There's something down here as well. Do I want to film a potential HST or a freight train? I mean, I don't actually have a clue where the freight train is to or from for a start. Well, I don't have a clue in general, but yeah. Again, helps on having my data on. Again, I'm not. Voyager. chance of the numbers. I'm going down here now. Right, don't go missing the numbers this time, okay? This is going to be a Network Rail train doing basically a Kings Norton loop. Up here, because I'm a dope again. You don't get me this time. DR98969 with DR98919 on the rear. Yeah, okay. And then go to platform 2. Because I swear I heard an announcement for down here as well. Do be aware I have a sort of limit on my videos at just 33.9. I'm too much of a dope to know how to join up the two videos because I just can't bother editing it. If I do go over that 33.9 minute mark, what I will do is upload that video separately. Right. I swear I heard something for platform 2. Or am I just going dope again? Well, yeah, I'm going dope again. No other way around it. This is gonna be... Going to Chrome for RTT, and I want to know what's coming through on platform 2. I was probably just hearing things because that's me. I'm gonna go down there, see if I can get a glimpse of the timetable or something. Yeah, there's something coming through down there. I just want to know what it is. I'll tell you what it is. Pause it and wait. Go away, wasp. You should be dead by now anyway. What's the... Right. Okay. I'm not complaining. I can't even get the number of this thing, can I? DR73923. DR73923. For Collis Rail. Right. Now, what I want to do is check the number. No. The number? No. Where it's going. I'd love to know what I was doing last night, because whatever I was doing is really affecting my speech today. I'm probably just got out the wrong side of bed. Okay. I have no idea where that was going. I have no idea in general. It's not that. I'll get lost. Right. You are... I don't want to call it because like it's not showing up anyway. Right, forget it. Right, I don't care what you say. It's Wolverton Centre side into WDT signal. I don't care what you say because like there's nothing else on there which will tell me any different. So yeah, that's what I'm going with. Okay, you guys might Jesus Christ. You guys might beg to differ. I don't. I'm just looking at real-time trains and that's the only meaningful thing I actually seen on there. Alright, okay, so there's something else due down there now. Again, I have absolutely no idea what it is. Because, that's just me. I'm going to wait for it to go past. Have a think of what it might be. And then look at real-time trains. For the most sensible thing that might link to that. I've broken my promise already. What if they annoy me? What if my fellow passengers annoy me? Am I supposed to be polite to them then? Yeah? What if they're not polite to me? Treat others the way you want to be treated. Right, what's down here now? I mean, she could have just announced that. It could have just been that Connors Rail train. A late announcement. I'm going to pause it and wait. Am I? Yes. Right, okay. Okay, yeah, 88. It's the Tesco Express. From Mustang to Daventry, I'm guessing. 88 005. Is it 005 or 055? I can't remember. 88 005, that's what it is, okay? There we go. I could quite easily just go over there and film it going away for us, but I can't bother. Here we go. I believe that was 390,008, and I'm sticking with that as well. Okay, so as I said, that 88 was going from Mustang Down Yard to Daventry International Rail Freight Reception, as that Pendolino has overtaken him as part of his journey from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Okay, so now coming in is a 12:03 cross-country turbo star service to Cardiff Central from Nottingham.
Sunday, the 8th of November. As a result, buses will replace trains between Rugby and Northampton and Milton Keynes Central. Long-distance services between London and Crewe
I'm going to stand up here.
will be diverted and will not call at Northampton or Longbourn.
Pendolino, London to Manchester. $390,049. 176.37 here. It's only the one turbo star, which is surprising. I'd have thought with the current climate you'd have to have more than just three carriages, at least 4 carriages. 2 trains or something like that, 6 carriages, aren't there? Oh well. Okay, he's off. I don't know what it is about those trains, but I just like them. Is it the character of them, or just the noise, or... I don't know what it is, but I just like them. I don't think there's any particular reason. Will I carry on recording, because I'm expecting, what is it, the 12:05 or something service? No, the 12:06 to Nottingham to come in. Basically going the other way with another turbo star. I presume this is going to be 2 of them. I don't know. I'll start filming again. Pendolino. 391.30. In case you didn't hear me, it's 391.30. There was a name tag on it, but it was going too fast. So it's impossible to see it, okay? I might as well not bothered pausing there, as the, what was it, 12:06 is it? Cross-country turbo star service to Nottingham is now coming in from Cardiff Central. Again, surprisingly, works by a singular turbo star. I'd have thought they'd have more turbo stars. Surely it's supposed to have a bit, like, at least double the size of the trains or something like that. I'm going to stand back just for a old SD. Because you have to obey it unless your name's you have to obey all these laws unless your name is Dominic Cummins. Or if you're a footballer. 176.38 brings us in. Excellent. I'm not gonna have to. I won't have to worry about this now. Okay, he's now off. Another one. 391.17 was it, or was it 107? I can't remember. But I can remember, but I just didn't see it. Right. It's about time I start looking up all these trains now. I think we've had 3 or 4 Pendolinos coming through now. No. Right. Okay, so try and update this thing so then I can actually have a better clue. I mean, I could just quite easily just run through every train that's just passed. No, I'm afraid the Nottingham train has just left, so you're a bit late. No, hang on. Right, so the Pendolino that went that way, I believe it was it a Ghost, was it? I can't remember. Was from Manchester to London. The first Pendolino that went that way, I can't remember if I said it already, I'm going to say it again, was to Manchester. And then that other train was to Liverpool. Which is absolutely brilliant, you know. I'm so excited about that, it's brilliant. I can hear a 350. No, I can't.
Well, I think
Excellent. Put that back in the pocket. This is probably going to end up going into 2 parts. But, yeah, who knows. There's another Pendolino. Jesus Christ, they're out in force today. $391.54. Again, I'm just going to look that up, see where that was off to. Obviously it's from London. That was... I'm going to say that was London to Glasgow. I'm certain that was London to Glasgow. Okay. Right, next train is Glasgow to London. $391.34. Okay, so around about now we should be seeing the delayed 12:09 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Crewe coming in over there on platform 1. Here we go, you can just hear the unmistakable sound of a 350's weird sounding traction motor. I forgot what to call it then. So 353/4. Okay, it's 351.03 on the front. Oh, there's something up here. Something up here, platform 4. I'll get the I'll get the number of the rear 350 as it departs, unless no. Okay, so I'll just have to wait. Here we go. There's 391.55, and I've finally caught the full livery on this channel. Although it looks like on the front of it, half the livery is falling off already. You're not changing company already, are you? You've only just been in a few days. Not exactly a few days, but these 350s are now leaving. I'm going to stay here looking behind me for that freight, for whatever she just announced on platform 4. Either that or it was just me hearing things because I'm there. Yeah. Here we go. 352.60 on the rear.
Wear a face covering when travelling by public transport unless you are medically exempt. Not all medical exemptions are visible, so please remember to be kind to all your fellow passengers during this
I'm just
time.
going to look on real-time trains and see where 155 was actually going.
Where you are able to. For more information and updates on the government guidelines, please visit www.gov.uk.
I'm going to keep filming down there because I'm, for some reason, I'm expecting something else down there. I don't know why. That Pendolino was Manchester to London is my prediction. In reality, it's probably wrong, but I don't really give two hoots anymore. Oh, don't tell. I swear she announced something up here on platform 4. And obviously my phone doesn't want to work now because it's just funny mode, but I don't control it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was Manchester to London. Yeah, okay. I think I'm good to pause. Okay, so now coming in is Royal Mail 325004. As 352.232 is also coming in with a service bound for London Euston. I believe it's the 12. What time would it be? Oh. At Lichfield Trent Valley it would have been the 12:13 service, but obviously. Well, this isn't Lichfield Trent Valley, this is Tamworth. Unless if they just decided to change the name of the station. I won't put it past them. Right. Oh, here's a 60. No, you're not going to bold me, okay? If you do dare bold me, I'm going to knock you out. I mean, I'm threatening to knock a train out. I mean, yes. Brilliant. This is Bristol to Glasgow, the 12, whatever it wants to be. $60.015. Haha! Yes, you're not doing it to me today, 221129. You're not bolding me today, 221129. Yes! Now, he's just caught me off guard whilst leaving. I did actually just look up the time, but I've gone and forgotten it again because I'm just a dog.